All right, the big news coming in this hour. Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Jammu and Kashmir, a religious leader has hit out at the centre over the contentious issue of rehabilitation of Kashmiri Pandits. The Grand Mufti of Kashmir opposing the NDA government's plans of rehabilitating Pandits, calling it a conspiracy. He has also warned of protests in the valley. The centre has been considering the state's proposal for a return of Kashmiri Pandits to Kashmir. The Omar Abdullah government had proposed increasing the package for return and rehabilitation of them. But first, listen in to what the Grand Mufti exactly said.
इसमें पंडित बरादरी के बारे में जो कुछ हमने बता दिया, उनका ये मतलब है कि वो यहाँ आ जाएं, हम उनका वालिहाना इस्तकबाल करेंगे, उनको अपने गले मिलाएंगे और उनके साथ बाज़ाब्ता अपने रवाबित कायम करेंगे। लेकिन होम लोन की सूरत में उनको कोई वालिहाना इस्तकबाल नहीं होगा, बल्कि एक साजिश के तहत उनको यहाँ बसाया जा रहा है, रचाया जा रहा है, जिसकी हम पूरी शिद्दत के साथ मुखालफत कर रहे हैं।
On the phone line, CNN-IBN's Mufti Islah joining us from Srinagar. Mufti, what exactly are the grounds on which the Grand Mufti has protested, and also the timing certainly significant with the Prime Minister heading to the valley?
Well, this is a debate which is going on since long, and in fact, it's really gained decibel since Narendra Modi came and said that he is going to rehabilitate the Kashmiri Pandits. Now, there's a catch in this, given that the Kashmiri Pandits have been demanding homeland, which means some exclusive zones where they're going to put up under security and surveillance. Now, this is what is really agitated the separatists as also religious leader like Mufti Bashiruddin, saying that if they really want to first welcome the Kashmiri Pandits if they are really keen on returning, but they should not be set up in exclusive colonies, but they should be allowed to live like they used to live and intermingle with the Muslim community, which is the majority community with this. So essentially what he means is that under this seems to be the Israel plan of, creating colonies within Kashmir, which is not acceptable to the Mufti and other separatist leaders. Already there is a debate over this, and this debate is really now becoming large. It assumes significance because Narendra Modi will be visiting Valley tomorrow.
Right. It is an old debate, of course, assuming significance because of the timing. Narendra Modi visiting the state. Thanks very much, Mufti Islah, for putting that in perspective.